Hey y'all, I'm back with another episode of my DIY kitchen remodel series. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, I'm Michaela and I'm currently in the middle of a huge kitchen remodel that I've been doing mostly myself with a little bit of hired help. So far, we completely gutted the kitchen, stripped the walls down to the studs, and put up all new drywall. If you want to see how this DIY kitchen remodel turns out, be sure to subscribe with your notifications turned on. Now let's get into the video. Quick little explanation. So you probably just saw me do a bunch of measuring that honestly, I don't know why I did all that because your girl didn't even do anything with it. So it's been a few weeks since I actually did all of that and realized that I don't actually want to hang the rails. So I took my pride aside, asked for help, and hired somebody to hang the suspension rails for me so that way I could just move past it because it's been a few weeks and I literally hadn't touched anything. So now we're just gonna move on to me actually putting the cabinets together, or the rest of the cabinets together, so that we can kind of have like a functional kitchen, at least on this side of the kitchen, because obviously the pantry wall, I'm gonna have to reconfigure and do some more re-measuring, and hopefully they have cabinets that'll fit that side. So yeah, that's where we're at right now.